Hello, how are you? Cadency. This is a morning vibe now. I'm just trying. I have an instrument here, guys, for those who are watching. Just 1 minute. I want to start the vibe. We call it morning vibe with a traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo instrument from western part of Kenya. Yeah, so just keep on watching, guys. Hola, how are you? Tell me. I'm almost starting, guys. I see. I'm good. I'm fine. Tell me, how are you doing? I'm now starting the vibe, guys. This is a very special vibe. It's a traditional vibe. Check on, please subscribe by the time you're watching. Yeah, just 1 minute. Morning traditional. You are making my beautiful music. Yeah, morning traditional vibe. Yeah, I'm speaking English. How are you? Tell me. Morning traditional vibe. I'm speaking English. Tender from Ice is smart also in the vibe. Down cool, very big California. Speak goes down. Water. I see, I surely just also the one. Julieta, morning. Souza. Brindoni, how are you, my brother? Condense, I'm fine. How boom bless me, how boom bless me. Aponga evolo, jopongo junya babae, opongo mane butala. Guys, keep on watching for those who are watching. Michael, ICCB. I've been sick. So I just go for medication. No one. I'm back, goodness. I see CBO Star Boy. Oh no no bye can. Oh no no bye. Apanga ebolo chopongo chunya bye. God is there. Yeah, that's the main reason I get a quick recover. Goodness. CBO. Oh no no CBO. Which country is this? It's Kenya. Okay, how are you? Mugenyi, yeah. Mugenyi, thank you so much. Goodness. I see Fatuma Hassan. Mugenyi. Thank you so much for your time. Kiruka. Oh, bye-bye. No boom, bless me. Yeah, Shadi. Mugenyi, how is Uganda? People from Uganda, Ugambachi. Igara joro chere. Kara joro chere. Kara joro chere. CBO Star Boy. ADOC Rapemu. Allo Rapemu Chichi. Shari money. Yeah. Oh, this squad. Queen of Peace. Queen of good money. Money. Abo Queen. Radio on the bar. Munya. I see Sibu. Aquino Tonano. Yeah, watching I. Aquino Ganae. Aquino Ganae. Aquino, I'm really fine, my guy. I'm really fine. I've been sick for long, but right now I'm fine. Zero. Lizaka. Yeah, this is a morning vibe, traditional morning vibe, Triple G. Normal percent. Let me sing for Queen on the vibe. Misty, yeah. Independent, good morning. Peter Onyango, nele penya, Queen of Mama. Naomi Machari. Hello, in pen, just want relax to this music. Bestie, no, bestie, yeah. Beastly. I see Beastly, my brother. Udari. Have you seen a queen? There's a lady by the name Independence. Hello, TSC. Queen of my. I see Buddha. Yeah, this is a traditional vibe. And it's a morning vibe because now it's morning in Kenya, man. Well, no, Buddha. Yeah. How are you, Lewi? Mungena mako fwenya kini, mungendo fwenya kini. Ulawaya. Like your traditional. Asante sana ya. Asante sana, Lewi. How are you? Independence. Also in the vine. Siku. Emmanuel Gospel. Na Queen of Mama. Agriculture key. Also in the vine. So sing. Get Lion. Also in the vibe, guys. Keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda Jazz. 1 minute. Keep long going there. Thanks so much. 1 minute, guys. I want to take water here. I'm back, guys. I just go to take water and now I'm back. Advance CIO. CEO. Just tell me. Just tell me now, guys, because I'm already vibing. Masi tonango yaore. Masi ya ichunari. Masi. Koraka chake. Mumbi. Also in the vibe, guys. Keep on watching. My name is Makamugena John Kingozi Lee. Also in the vibe. Yo, this is a traditional vibe morning with Makamugenda Doka. Again, Kennedy. Morning AC. Yeah, now, guys, I want to start with the vibe, long vibe, with the traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah. Let's continue with the vibe, guys. Alexia. Bisli Baba Omoni Kosi Bangalero Jojo. I see. Is that we call it Nyatiti Buddha. Bangalero Fazler Kona Lord King. Yo of when you're getting toiling, I see Buddha. Good morning, Saganzi. Kat, oh, Katerina. Mumbwa. Katerina, how are you, Kati? We are here with the Buddha. I love you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Kona, yo boss. I wish you happiness and grace. Yeah, thank you so much, Buddha. Your boss also never. Dori mama, Katerina. Yeah. Morning, Katerina. Mumbwa. Morning, Queen Me. Morning, Katerina. Yo, Kat. Yeah. Your boss tell me, brother. This is a morning vibe with Nyatiti. Minsa, call me Lori. Bangalero, Mumbwa. Yo. Spiritual roots. I like that name. Sali, Catherine, morning, Lala unono. Lala unono na usiamuke basi. Yeah, just Lala. Lala unono me. Kunga, yeah. I say kungu. Kungu, yeah. Kungu also in the bar. And Juguna, Baba, morning Juguna. Morning, Duguna, Erico Theatre, Otiat, watch. I see shadow, turned a long time ago. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. My name is Makamugenda. If you're not Gold Meat Adua. If you have not subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Motivacity on Server. Call me Lois. I will call you. Why should I not call you that? Lois! I've already called you. Buddy Junior. Nail nothing. Yeah, this is a traditional vibe with an instrument called Nyatiti. I'll just play it for you, don't worry. Now see the stylist. Yeah, this morning vibe. You enjoying? I see my friend are watching on YouTube. My God! Don't be chulo. Ni won't it, my body, bye-bye. Now see the stylist. Yeah. Chips. I see Moses. Tender morning. From UK, I think. Or South Africa. He wants all that about on here. Stop running. Ajokinyi makare Jerry babare Jerry call me Nikwaro Ajokinyi makare Katrina Jomoko Yeah Jomoko Madabi water. This is a morning vibe. Allen Mwada. Nimo. Morning Nimo. Mommy Prince. Anointing MC. Yeah, anointing MC. Respect for artists. Yeah, check on YouTube, guys. Kill me with a like, tap on the screen. Yeah, kill me with the likes. You can share if you have a gift. Yeah. Diva. How are you, Diva? Remember the instrument is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti. Emmanuel Gospel. You want over, Amaro Yago, Babari, Chari. The song is about hard working and consistency. Zola, Mwatara. Yeah, gratitude. Arobi. Kijana wa mtaa. Yani ni kijana wa mtaa. Yes, you. Yeah, there's a guy who asked me to play Kisumu band. I'll just give you it to you now. Yeah. Oh, mama, are you getting the vibe? Oh, mama, today. Arreman. Yeah. Oh, mama, today. Kill me the gift. Oh mama, jump on. Let's go. Scott, I want you just to enjoy the beat. How are you? Tell Sharon Luca. Sammy also the vibe. Let's go. Oh Baba, yeah. You have to pray for us. Oh Baba, wisdom, wisdom in the vine. Sayeki, how are you, Sayeki? Sayeki, Sayeki, bang bang, Joseph bang bang, Sayeki bang bang. I feel going so much, my brother Sayeki. More guys, keep on watching. Tap on the screen, guys. If you have a gift, kill me with a gift. If you have Lucy, this is the morning now. If you want to be serenaded, Omera. I can also just give you happiness with the music. Anita, how are you? Call me, umefanya hadi nikajisikia mwenye mheshimiwa. Sayeki. Sayeki, that's good, my brother. That's good. That's the work of music, guys. Just make you happy. Yeah, I remember there's a guy who tell me that I've already played for, I have performed for him in Diani. Yeah, Loy, call me Loy. Okay, that's fine. If I play to you, no problem. Hakuna matata. Ama ni vipi bana? That's great, guys. If you have already, yeah, there's a guy, I don't know, I don't see you, but you asked me to play for you one song, say Kisumu Ber Kisumu. Tap the screen, guys. How are you, Minister for Enjoyment? We are Sayek. Sayek! Kill me with the gift camera. Nyakwatia Moko also in the van, Minister for Enjoyment. Billionaire! Fine, call me Loy. Icon! Yoshia! I don't know, Minister of Enjoyment. I want to enjoy your service. Yeah! Ololo makari Nyakwatia Moko Kabibi. Ololo makari Nyakwatia Moko. Yeah, that's the son of the richest guy. Kabibi, how are you, Kabibi? Morning, Kabibi. Kabibi, yeah. You have to start your morning with the vibing. Oh no, no, Kabibi. Nyakwatia Moko. Have you seen Kabibi? Josh. Just subscribe on YouTube. My name is Makamugenda, playing a traditional instrument, Nyatiti. Remember, we are with a beautiful lady by the name Habibi. Kim also in the vibe. The same. Let's continue the vibe, guys. Last year, I see Sayek, adieu, Amungare, where is Kabibi? GK, frame also on the mind. Mtulivu also the vibe. Some days makumakale I perform in Kisumu, yeah. I meet people from Kisumu City. Don't me a lot of oh dear, out here no me a lot of. But not Otieno, you have to call him Palme, the king. Otieno the king. Don't me a lot of Emmanuel Yatena. Don't me a lot of. They were dancing. Kenny Dawn. Sundays back to Macau. Otieno. Otieno Palme, thank you so much for joining. Temple Runner. How are you, my brother? Don't me a lot of. Do you know meaning of melothon? That means you gonna dance temporana. Yeah, you gonna dance color forever, forever and ever. Say moko makale. Kazi, I see Kazi also the vibe temporana in the vibe. Cinda, morning Cinda. On the vibe, guys, keep on watching. You can check on subscribe. I'm fine, Cinda, my brother. Hey, hey. Ha ha. Morning, Nina, yawa. ICT. Hey, hey. Oh, hey, hey. Yeah. And if I join, Kinkolo. SK also the vibe. Yeah. Everyone gonna wake up now. Hello, hello, everyone. Moi. Hello, hello, moi also the vibe. Hello, umuchana ya kwa umelo. On the vibe, Lema. How are you, Lema? Hero. Music also on the vibe. Era tu muchanda ya kwaro, Lema, Lema. Morning, Lema, Lema Jason. Morning, Lema. Time. Yeah, they invest in time. Adante. Morning, Lema. Long time, Lema. How are you? How are you feeling? This is a vibe. This is a morning vibe. Tap the screen, Lema, buana. Revi, can you da? Yeah. Can you? Wangare. Haha. Well, no, have you seen Lema? Adante. Morinatieno. Adante, Atieno Mielaga. Hello, hello, temporana, Maxi. Hello, hello. We gonna dance, Lema out on the vibe. Tap the screen, guys. Sing that. Morning, Zinda, Queen Africa, Rajab, morning, Rajab, this is a vibe. We gonna dance it, it's a traditional vibe. Nyatiti, say Nyatiti, not Matiti. If you say Matiti, you spoil my bride. Share you also in the vibe, guys. Keep on watching. My name's Makan. you so much, my brother. Cinda. Kill me with the gift, guys. If you have, only if you have. If you don't have, just enjoy the music. Ken Buffa. Tap up the screen, guys. My name is Maka Muganda. Check on YouTube. Subscribe also. Instrument is called Nyatiti. Isaac became beautiful also on the vibe. Isaac, how are you? You are beautiful. I'm now feeling bit better. Bruno. Jolino, how are you, Jolino? Tell me. Oh, my oh. Nyatiti, Jolino, good morning, my brother. Jolino morning. I have decided to sing to Jolino. Yeah. Jolino is Cinda. Thank you so much, Cinda. We are here with the beautiful. Have you seen Nyatiti? Jolino. Yeah. I have great people like Jolino in the vibe. Chuku. Caramel. Jolino tapped up the screen. If you have lion, you can share. But if you have a gift, you can also do the so. Do so. Yeah, the instrument is called Nyatiti, guys. Nyatiti is a traditional instrument. Yeah, YouTube subscribe, guys. If you have not subscribed, if you have a gift, guys, tap the screen, guys. Kill the gift. Kill me with the flowers, Omera. Where's the beautiful Sarah? Jolino. Where's Jolino? Hello, Hussein morning. Oh, Kalu, I see Jolino. Uncle K, you are welcome in the vibe. Waganju, Mama shouting, yeah, baby. Simon also in the vibe. Omuga Quach. Omuga tapped up the screen. Jolu Baba. Yeah. Julia Sonso in the vibe. Kill me with a gift 9 minutes. Yeah. Hi, Jolu. Can you dance, Jolu? We are here with Omuga. What that is? Darego. Jolu, yeah, Julia Salsa the vibe. Mutungi, Walla Makalele. Morning, Jolu. 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 Yeah. Minutes. Minutes. I'm in Kenya, my brother. Just enjoying the traditional vibe. Mama, good morning, please. I am going work fine for the Mama Shauri. Goodbye, well, please. Find for the family first, then Nyatiti. Thank you so much, Mama Shauri. That's good, Mama Shauri. Some more. Jizo. Mutui. Tap on the screen, guys. I don't see you tapping. Jizo. Morning, Jizo. Mama Shauri. We are here with the Jolino. Jizo, yeah. How are you, Jizo? Can you dance, Nyatiti? Have you danced Nyatiti, Jizo? Bossy. Mama Shauri, yeah. Not God. Thank you so much, Jizo. Oh, you. Jizo dancing. Yeah. Jizo dancing. Jizo, where are you from? We are here with Mama Shauri. Yeah. Darego. Anasa. Darego. Yeah. Anasa, my brother. Long time. Yeah, you are welcome, guys. Kiki Dominic also in the vibe, guys. This is my special vibe. Kenya, Chizo. Thank you so much, Chizo, for joining. Loyal land. Yani Busia. Umwami. Say hi to Umwami. Anasa. Max. Yeah. Chizole. How are you at NASA? CK. Ivory. And I don't give you that. Yeah. Yeah. Helen Mora. Yeah. Janet also in the vibe. Jimo. Deborah. Most Japan Moto. Toto mdogo. Yeah. Yes, Baba. Barakaji. Brian, if you're not enjoying, I don't know what you are. Yeah. I will never mind also. Yeah, it's dope. And all how are you? Oh yeah, dentro dance, Ali today, Ali Isaac Moriti, Justin Panga, yeah, FBI, yeah, this is a security service, yeah, got it, I don't know what I say, Dreamlink. Mr. Reality. Say, I want to sing to somebody. Blessing also the vibe. FBI. Yeah. MR. How are you, reality? Well, no, reality. Thank you so much. I see reality normal, no man too. No man. Yeah. How are you, reality? No, Baba. Are you enjoying the vibe? Reality, you have to dance, one. Yeah. Reality. This one reality. Right. Give me the gift, Mr. Reality. This one reality. Yeah. This one is not a joke. Reality incredible. Thank you so much, my brother. Yeah. Mama, oh mama, mama ya. Usalo nelemunda, tukutuo. Blessing in the vibe. How are you, reality? Reality incredible, guys. Now big. Agora. Nero. I see Nero. Thank you so much. Reality incredible. Thank you so much, reality. Baby, reality. You gonna dance, you gonna, Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Lugha ni gani bana? Paulina. Paulina, lugha ni Kijaluo bwana. I'm a Luo. Yeah, this is a traditional of Luo, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Paulina, where are you from? Paulina. Guys, thanks so much, Mr. Reality. I see you. Mwende. My baby girl, Mwende. Oh, Manobe. You have to include R there, so it can be Mano there. I work here. He works here, can you man? Richie. Abenda works here. The boy. Nyakwa Nyar Oyoa Alego La Tumuchana Nyakwaro Joyale. You are back online if you are. Ya, mama ni dada walicho pada mali pare kama na tene. Nana chuore. Yes. Just going for it. Yeah, right. Trade na waru. Waru. Guys, keep on watching. Waru. Sumak. Yeah. Morning, Nyawano. Nyawano. Good morning, Nyawano. Dibora. Nyawano in the house. Nyawano in the house. Yani ndani ya house. Ay, Nyawano. Walolo makale. Good morning, Nyawano mama. That's great. National. Okay. Thank you for being here. sing gospel only. Hey, Nyawano, let me sing for you gospel. Yahweh bless me. Arero. Yahweh bless me. Yahweh bless me. Everything is Yahweh. Godido, godido. Arero, good morning, Adam. Everything is Yahweh. Crimea. Yahweh, Yahweh. Yahweh bless Magaye. Yahweh bless Magaye. Yahweh bless Arero. Yeah. Yahweh bless the King. Wololo Baba Wololo Yahweh. Wololo Yahweh. Yeah. Ingekuwa si wewe. How are you, Christina? Oh, Baba, Obongo bless Christina. Obongo bless Nyawano. Obongo bless Nyawano. Yeah. Open away. Christina morning. Open away. Yeah. Mungu niepina. Oh, Mungu Baba. Oh, Mungu Baba. Oh, Mungu Baba. Ingekuwa si wewe, ungekuwa wapi Nyawano? Ingekuwa si yeye, tungekuwa wapi Nyawano? Afrika, you are welcome in the vine. Ingekuwa si wewe, ungekuwa wapi Baba? Bongo Baba. Bongo Baba. Morning Medusa. I see Medusa outside the vine. Yeah. Ametenda mengi. Macha. How are you, Macha? Ametenda mengi. Nyawano. Yeah. Thank you, Baba. Bongo, Babale. Hot water outside the vine. Yasai. Ingai. Bongo bless Nyawano. Bongo bless Nyawano. Thank you so much, Nyawano, for joining now. I see it's now praying time. Thanks so much, Nyawano. And let me give you the national anthem. I'm from Kenya. Yeah, let me give Nyawano national anthem. Kisumu Dala. Hi Sierra. How are you? Hi Sierra. Dory Paris. Tap up the screen. Kill me with the gift, guys. Only if you have, but if you don't have, just enjoy the vibe. Let's continue. Thank you so much, hot water. Yeah, hot water, you are welcome in the vibe. Atimulade Dodongugero Kisumo. Ay, diaba Kisumu, Kisumu bell, Kisumu ya. Itera diaba Kisumu. Hot water, have you gone to Kisumu? Ha ha. Bomanza ya yechawa. Itera diaba Kisumu, Catherine mama. We gonna go to Kisumu, Kisumu ya Kisumu. Wadiga Kisumu nyawana. Nikopoa. Aya, nyawano. Aya, atimunade. Todongugero Kisumu. Aya, itera diaba Kisumu. Kisumu bell, Kisumu. Itera diaba Kisumu. Tombuta mito with hot water. Itera diaba Kisumu. Anadwaro kenda ungenga matera. Anadwaro ke billionaire. Abebo nyakindu. No beautiful no mama. We gonna go to Kisumu. Kisumu bell nyawano ya. We gonna go to Kisumu. Nyawano mama yala. You gonna go to Kisumu. Nombuta mitu nyawita hawa. Nyawano. Tell me Nyawano. Yeah, Nyawano, thank you so much. I see hot water also in the vibe. Keep on watching. Thank you so much, Nyawano, for being here in your break time, guys. Thanks so much. Keep on watching. Nyawano, I've been sick, but tuna pambana na maisha. I've been sick. Yoshimiti. I see Queen Una Sumako Sandeva. Yeah, Oxide. Tell me, Natty, also in the vibe. Keep on watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. This morning, how are you? Oyax, also in the vibe. I see my sweetheart. Johnny, yeah, by the name Shiko. Nadi Yarokuyu. Len Mudeule. Aton. Shiko. How are you, Shiko? Good morning. I'm really happy to see you. We are here with my mom. We want to go to Kisumu with Nyawano. Hey, Nyawano. I'm just taking water Nyawano. Nataka nirudi kwa Soptal. Nyawano. By the way, Nyawano nimekuwa mgonjwa lakini nyajaluo tonango. But saizi ni recover. And that's the main reason why kizangu za sauti ile ya juu inanisumbua. But legend also in the vibe. Yeah, that's the main problem, but I appreciate because now I can sing, I can play. I can play, I can sing. Yeah, I'll just give you. Hey, don't my bad, yeah. Under view. Umeona hiyo namba dira? I don't know, Nyawano, have you seen the number? Have you seen the number kweli? I don't know, Nyajaluo also in the vibe, I don't know. Nyawano, nimeweka hiyo namba na sijui. Inaonekana? Under view. I don't know, Nyawano, my love, good morning, how are you my loved one? Nyawano, that number, are you seeing any number there? Are those chair legs? Can you see the hole? Say number again. Okay. 0720 0720 15 9271. That's bangles. No, not bangles, jingles. 0720 15 9271. I don't know why I'm trying to tag it there, but I don't know why. It's not seen very clean. I don't know why. 15 9271. 20. Yes, that's my number. Yeah, there's a guy who want to see this. Hey, I will just carry my leg. This one you have already now see. If you want to see, there's we call them jiggles. I sing Alice laugh also in the vibe. Shaikoro. Thanks so much. Let me play for Shaikoro one song now. That's your song. You can record if you like. This one I want to play for you, Shaikoro. You can record this one. Nyawan also in the vibe. Red commits. Where's Shaikoro? Ngena mangofwe Shaikoro, are you ready for that? Are you ready for you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Or I'm annoying you. Are you ready? Yeah, Shaikoro, Shaikoro. Yes, I am. Eduardo, I ain't gonna sing to shine. No shine, yeah. Can you dance shine? Can you shake shine? Can you vibe shine? Eduardo, I wanna dance to my God. Shine, shine, may I shine, Guru Mama. Yeah, Benzo, Benzo, Mama. Have you seen shine? Have you seen shine? Yeah, shine. Can you shake what mama gave you, Shaikoro? Can you shake what mama gave you, Shai? Can you dance so well? Yeah, Shai. Well, no, guru, guru. Boom. I've been from Shai. Amigo. Mare, mare, goodbye, Shaikoro. Yeah, I wanna pick lemon. I wanna oh, I wanna oh, I like Katrina. Yeah, Katrina. Whoa. I wish I see you, Shaikoro. Goro. Catherine! Katrina Koa Pujawa. Umboa, hello. Try when I'm singing to you, Shai. I see Catherine. Light, can you dance? Light, can you dance? Yeah! I wanna shine like a light. I wanna shine like a light. I wanna dance Caterina. I wanna dance like a Catherine. Abla! Bye! Yeah! Gonna. Gundu mai shai shalo. Thank you so much, Shaikoro. Yeah, that's a very special vibe, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. I see my friend Catherine Momboa. Yeah, live. Thank you so much, live. I wanna shine like lights. Queen Tifa. much. Psycho. I see like my bra. Like yeah. Well, look in you. Light, can you dance now? Remember to slide. Ha ha. Yeah, yeah, no. Where are you from? I see my mom also in the dance. I'm from Kenya. Nyawano, nyawano. Mama, yeah. I see nyawano. Yani hakundani. Yeah, yani hakundani. Ah, ah. Ah, Kenya, yes. Nyawano umepata namba. Yeah. Thank you so much, kid. Show us the side, bro. You are music. Show us your sign. Yeah. I'm all down in your picture. Ya sumarole. Ya sumarole. Suma light. I wanna show you. Baba. Yeah. Like, can you dance? Baba. Can you dance? Can you dance? I wanna. Yeah. My style is sad. Ha ha. I wanna. Kulawa. Wake up, I wanna wake Goli Baba. I see lights, Yawano Mama. Yeah, hey, Yawano Pimbani your picture. Yawano Pimbani your picture. Yeah, Molao, Molao. Yeah, I see like listen more. Hey, hey, Nyawano. Even if I'm sick, but music just bring me back. You know this is a spirit now. Yeah, ancestors. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, check on YouTube, subscribe. My name is Maka Mugenda. That's my username on YouTube. Thanks so much, Nyawano. I see a lot of people watching, guys. Keep on watching. This is Maka Mugenda, and this is a traditional Mari, brother. This is a traditional I say, when I say traditional, I mean traditional. Thank you so much. Shaikoro. Candy FM also in the vibe. Put dish and coin between the number. TikTok. Put dash.
Nyatiti guys fan sama dash. Kendo 15 fanya. Delete mana di kanya 15. Dash na. Mapenya ego.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. I received. Thank you so much. Umesoma breakfast. Yes, umeona. I see. I was recharging the bundles. You know, I use a lot of bundles. Pero kama ano, asante sana. Africa. Oh, send wheel Wi-Fi. Oh. Okay. Thank you so much, Nyawano, for your support. Thank you. Asante sana. Bizia. Makarele. Inatimina Nyawano. Ah. Inatimina Nyawano. Rocky. Inawachuna Nyawano. I see Nyawano. Thank you so much, Nyawano, for your support. Mwashi. Jibbing. Yeah. Song request. Jibbing. You can just request. Ah. Hold your Egypt. Hold it. I'm from Kenya, my brother. Beacon Company in Kisumu. Find out. I will send my. Nyawano, I'm not in Kisumu. Nyawano, I'm not in Kisumu. I'm a Luo, but I'm not in Kisumu right now. Right now, I'm in Diani. I'm in Diani, Kwale County, Yalanda. Pato. Yeah, Azenda vibrate. I see Ekra. Right there, okay. Welcome company. I gonna check. I must check that company. I will check. Thank you so much, Nyawano. I must check. I'll just tell you when I've already checked. Maria, you're welcome in the bar. Nelly. Yeah. Nelly Bamba. Can you dance? Maria dance. Yeah. For daddy. Cheap Wi-Fi. Yeah, check very. Daddy. Okay. Many bless to you. Many bless. Thank you so much, Nelly. Yeah. Then you quit. Ah, Nelly. Ay, Nyawano. Ah, Nyawano. Welcome that company. Okay. I wanna check. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I don't know how to appreciate you. Just keep on watching. My name is Makam Ganda. Thank you so much for sharing the live after the skin. Leonida. Breakfast, my brother. Yeah. Ryo Tektra. Oh, Brian. How are you, Science? Thank you so much, Nelly. Asante Nelly. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nelly. We gonna. Yo, originale. We gonna. Let me tell you, Mayo. Caro. I see Nelly. Thank you. Asante Nelly. Thank you, Nelly. Yeah. Maxum. Cliff also never. Thank you, Nelly. Yeah. Thank you, Mama. Mama Zoo. Monica. Thank you, Mama. Asante Sana. Asante. Yeah. Cliffo. Carabundo Kelamo. Yeah. Nelly. Kaizao so Minister Loni. We gonna bona. Let me dance. Yeah. Cliff Nandwa. Thank you so much, Cliff Nandwa. Monica. Let me tell you, Maxum. Oh, lolo, my oh. I love you so much. I love you, my you. Yeah, yo, mera. I love you, Nyawano. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. Nyawano, yeah, you getting that? When I went to Dubai, Nelly, I must bring you a surprise, great sister. I know you like tilapia, Nyawano. I know you like tilapia, but I'll bring you what? Come on, go, Nelly. Come on, go, Lily. Come on, go. Have you tested Kamongo, Nyawano? I wanna bring for you Kamongo. Yeah. I wanna bring for you Kamongo. Yeah. Buddha. Ngongo one Kamongo. Buddha. Yeah. I know you like Kumbuta, but I'll bring you Kamongo. Swan. How are you, Anna? Yeah. Nelly dance, Adodi dance, Nelly, gal dance, gal dance, yeah, Nelly dance, Dami, gonna dance, yeah, Nyawano gonna go, come on go, Maripo, I will bring for you, come on go, Nyawano. Yeah. I must bring you a surprise. Bernie Baba. Oh, Ryan, wachane kwanza. Don't tell them all. Yeah. You know what? Music gonna bring happiness. Yawana. Winona. Wonderful talent, my name. Bless you. Yeah. Don't get killed. Don't get killed. US. Ned. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Now I know what I want. Hey! Happiness, so Nelly. Chario. Thank you so much, Nelly. Maya. Brian also never. Independence. Hello. Gonna go. Yeah. Tell me independent kunigunde. Guys, keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. Just chop. Thank you so much. So Maro, yeah, so I go for the test tomorrow. So the test they get that I have H pylori. Naona ni land. I'm sorry. No. Nyawano is not a Nyawano MC is not a Luo. Ni tie is not a Luo. MC Mark is not a Luo. She's also a Nandi lady. Nyawano. Independence says is only one from. Naona hapana, wewe si Jaluo. Just Jono. Hello. Yes, Jono. Mori. Yeah. Jono. I wanna. Hello, I see Winona. Jono. Hello, Mori. Dio. Just John. I see Maurice, my brother. I remember that we have here my man, Maxu. Came long time ago. Yeah. You know what? All this collection. Hello. You know where are you? Where is Mori? Winona light. But it's just Jono, Bianca. Hello, Lucia. Winona. Hello, Jono. Winona. Mahari. Gonale. Jono. Yeah. Hello. Jono. Yadumo John Jalo Jono. Colli. Yadumo John Jalo Jono. Hello. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. I sing Ranshik. Tap on the screen, guys. Ochi, Winona morning. I think now I don't know, it's night there, but here is morning still. My name is Maka Mugenda. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, subscribe please. My name is Maka Mugenda. Kill me with a gift. Thank you so much, Maxu. Thank you so much. much, Winona. May God bless you so much. I don't know how to appreciate you. We are here with my mother, Maxu. She have been supporting me. I don't know how to explain. What country are you from? I'm from Kenya. Yeah, Shadow. I thank you so much, Shadow. Joel from Tanzania. Thank you so much, Shadow. Thank you so much, Joel. My name is Maka Mugenda. I don't know your name. I just see Shadow. Shadow. What's Shadow? Is there? Shadow. Hey, Shadow. I don't know how to. I don't know how to read it. Hey, that is too long. Imao. We are here with Joel. Yeah. Ah. Imaole. Imaole. Yeah. I see. Universal product. Yes, Jono. Joel Yani. Mi mama nene miela. Suma. How can you dance? Have you danced in Nyatiti? You been jaga. Yeah. Jono. Guys, I have to stand because I just want to stand for 6-7 minutes. Yeah, you know, when I sit too much, I'm not getting better. So I just want to stand for around 6 minutes, standing, playing while standing. I think it will be better for me when I do that. Just Jono, thank you so much, my brother from Tanzania. I've been in Tanzania, by the way. I perform in Tanzania. There's a place called Stay Active. I've been in Tanzania, by the way. I have performed in Dar es Salaam, Kurasini. There's a place called Kurasini there. Stay. Thanks so much. I like your music. Thanks so much, my brother. More also in the vibe. Keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. I want to vibe with you for around. I am a sister. Okay, but I don't know your name. Yeah. I'm from. Yeah. Joel Baba. Joel Baba. How are you, Saudi? I see Saudi outside the van. Hello, Saudi Bamba. I see Joel. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sound ya dance. Yeah. Sound ya dance. You need to have 5 song which strong one, educative, then we elevate and connect you. Thank you so much. Winona. You know, Winona, there's some songs that I have not played for you. I not to Akina Obina to give you the platform. Okay, no problem. Just time will reach, Mama. I know. Trust the process. I am really sure. I believe in God. It will happen. Thank you so much. Nani, praise to the Most High. Maxu, have I played for you this song, the full song? This one. This song I composed for, long time ago in Africa they did not allow ladies to go to school. So these are just these are girl child right, yeah, to go to school. So this is a song I composed for the lady in our place called Award. She want to go to school, but her father want Award to be married. So this is a song I composed for Award by the time I was in my village. But the funny thing, Award went to school and later became a doctor. This is a song I composed for Award. I have that songs, but I normally value. Let me play for you this song. She was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. She walks. Yeah. Her father was a tough man. He walked. Yeah. Hello. She was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. She walks. Yeah. Her father was a tough man. He walked. He said, she say, I hold my daughter. He said, she say, you gonna be a doctor. I want to went to school in the village for Nasari school. For primary school in the village, for secondary school. Ready! I want to went to the city, Nairobi University school. She want dancing, but her mother want to be married. God bless work, God bless. Eh? God bless the work. Ready! She like dancing, but her father want to be married. She like dancing, but her mother wants some bright price. Yeah. Hey! Ha ha ha. Parents are proud. Village is proud. Aworu became a doctor. Yeah, the Joka boy. Aworu became a doctor. Yeah. Are you now? Yeah. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Yeah. Yelele, 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 yelele. I worship a doctor. Yelele, 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 yelele. Village are proud. Yeah. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you kissing? Yeah. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? John, no. We know that. We know that. We know that. We know that. Yeah. She like dancing, but her father want to be married. She like, yeah. She like, hello. She like schooling, but her mother want to be married. She like reading, but her father wants some bright prize. I want to become a doctor. Village is proud. Yeah. No, we dancing. Hello, we enjoying. So much, we enjoying. Now she's a doctor. Yeah. Everyone is happy. He's happy. He's happy. He's happy. He's happy. Victor Piano. Thank you so much, Sue. Yeah, that's a story about the lady I composed a song for. You wrote this. You wrote this. Yes. I have a lot of songs that I write, but you know I normally do vibing. You know something like vibe is just entertaining. Yeah. So when you book me and I came there to perform for you, I'll perform. Even you will say, "Hey, Marka, is you?" But what I normally do, I trust the process. I believe in God and work, doing my part, doing a lot of practice, be consistency, and when time reach, nobody can stop it. So I just believe in God. Thank you guys for those who watch me. I'm not feeling good as I did. Still I'm not feeling good, so I just want to take a meal. I have to read your lips. Okay, thank you so much for reading my lips. Yeah guys, thanks so much. Oh la la. Thank you so much. Be feel better. Thank you so much, entertainment. Let me give you the last song.